So this is a Katerack. It's made for any Promaster City 2015 and 2020. It's pretty nice. These shelves are adjustable all the way up to the top. That's what the measuring things on the back are for, to make sure you get it all at the same level. It locks in place and releases. And it locks out here. There's 3 shelves, this bottom one. Has a backing, has all these dividers. They are removable. You can move them around, customize it to your needs. Pretty nice rack. It has 3 bolts across the top on each side, and then it bolts to the tie downs at the bottom, so you don't have to drill any special holes, just bolt it in. So that's the rack. I believe it list price is $1,200 new. It's in pretty good shape. Hopefully it'll make a nice rack for somebody.